Ready to draw a cute little gosling with a big personality? Let's draw baby Brightbill from the wild robot. Draw an upside down letter V at the top, a curved line coming down from each side to make a half circle. Draw a curve that looks like the letter C on the left side. Then draw its mirror image on the other side for the cheeks. Extend the bottom line inwards then downwards to make the neck. Extend the curved line from each side, going outward. Then draw a letter U facing sideways on each side for the wing. Complete the body by drawing a half circle at the bottom. For the leg, draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the body and do the same for the other leg. Draw a letter V facing sideways on the inner side of each leg. Then extend a long line from the other side and draw another letter V facing sideways and another longer one under it. Then finish the foot at the bottom with a curve. Repeat the same steps for the other foot. Inside the face in the center, draw a large upside down letter U. Then extend the line coming out from each side and join them together at the bottom with a half circle, making a pointy end on each side to finish the bill. And draw another half circle inside and close it with a wavy line on the top, also making pointy ends for the smiley mouth. Draw the tongue inside. Draw half an oval shape on the top left corner of the head. And draw a similar one on the top right corner. Inside, draw half a circle for the pupil and a larger half circle for the iris. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Color the pupils, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Beep beep boop boop, satisfactory! Now you can draw baby Brightbill from the wild robot. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.